Hello guys, welcome to my channel Science Router, and we have already started chapter number 1, crop production and management of class 8th. We already discussed fertilizer and manure. What are manures? Manures are the organic substances which are obtained by the decomposition of dead and decaying matter of plant and animal. So now we'll discuss about fertilizer. Fertilizers are also the chemical substances which are rich in particular nutrients. And how are they different from the manures? We discuss this factor further. Fertilizers are produced in factories. Some example of the fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, and potash, NPK, नाइट्रोजन, फॉस्फोरस एंड पोटाशियम. इनका जो रेशियो रहता है वो रेशियो रहता है 20:10:10, N, P and K. So what is the definition for fertilizer? Fertilizers are the chemical substances which are very rich in particular or specific nutrients as according to our need or as according to the farmer need, and which are produced in factories. For example, urea, NPK, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate and so on. The use of the fertilizers has helped farmers to get better yield of the crops such as wheat, paddy and maize. When the farmer use fertilizer, then they get high yield of the crops. But excessive use of the fertilizers had made the soil less fertile. But if farmer use fertilizers again and again, then the excessive use of the fertilizers can make soil less fertile or weak. Fertilizers have also become a source of water pollution. Therefore, in order to maintain the fertility of the soil, we have to substitute fertilizers with organic manure or leave the field uncultivated or the fallow in between the two crops. यहाँ पे ये बोला जा रहा है कि अगर आप सोयल की फर्टिलिटी को मेंटेन करना चाहते हो, अपने इल्ड को भी आप हाई करना चाहते हो, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? सब फर्टिलाइज़र्स को सब्सटीट्यूट, दैट मीन्स एक अल्टरनेट आपको प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा. किसके साथ? ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, या फिर आपकी जो फील्ड है उसको फैलो अनकल्टिवेटेड आप छोड़ सकते हो दो क्रॉप्स के बीच में कुछ टाइम के लिए. The use of the manure improves soil texture as well as its water retaining capacity. It replenishes the soil with the nutrients. So the use of the manure, it is an alternate over the excessive or the use of the fertilizers. And what do manure improve your soil texture as well as water holding capacity of the soil, or it replenish or re-maintain the soil with nutrients. Another method of replenish the soil with the nutrients is through crop rotation. So अगर हमें soil की neutrality को maintain करने का एक और भी हम तरीका मतलब देख सकते हैं, another method we can follow, which is crop production. So what is crop rotation or mixed cropping? This can be done by growing different crops alternatively. So क्रॉप रोटेशन में क्या होगा? हम डिफरेंट क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करेंगे अल्टरनेटिवली, एक के बाद एक. अर्लियर फार्मर्स इन नॉर्दर्न इंडिया यूज टू ग्रो लेग्यूमिनस एज फोडर इन वन सीजन एंड वीट इन द नेक्स्ट सीजन. सो नॉर्दर्न इंडिया में क्या करते थे? लेग्यूमिनस, जो भी आपके पास पल्सिस वगैरह सोयाबीन्स होते हैं, उनको वो एक सीज़न में ग्रो करते थे, नेक्स्ट सीजन में वो वीट को ग्रो करते थे. दिस हेल्प इन द रिप्लेनिश द सोयल और द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ द सोयल विद नाइट्रोजन, बिकॉज लेग्यूमिनस प्लांट्स हैव नाइट्रोजन रिच इन न्यूट्रिएंट्स. Farmers are being encouraged to adopt this practice. In the previous classes, you have learnt about the rhizobium bacteria. These are present in the the nodules of the roots of the leguminous plants, and they convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen, which is very essential and very important for the plant growth and rich in nutrients. Thank you guys.